Story Kids Rise.
Princess Liora and the Magic Garden Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. In the kingdom of Aranda, there was a lush, enchanted garden that glowed with the colors of 1,000 rainbows. It was said to be the home of magical flowers that could heal any heart. Princess Liora, with her flowing auburn hair and sparkling green eyes, adored this garden more than anything. One day, a dark cloud of sadness enveloped the kingdom. The royal flowers lost their glow, and the garden's vibrant colors faded. Princess Liora was heartbroken. Determined to restore her beloved garden, she set off on a quest with her trusty friend, a wise old turtle named Tiberius. They traveled through whispering forests and over glistening streams, searching for the mythical crystal of joy said to revive the garden's magic. Along the way, they encountered a sorrowful fairy who had lost her way. Princess Liora, with her gentle heart, helped the fairy find her path home. In gratitude, the fairy gifted Liora a sparkling dust of hope. When Princess Liora and Tiberius finally reached the Crystal of Joy, it was dim and lifeless. Remembering the fairy's gift, Liora sprinkled the sparkling dust on the crystal. Instantly, a burst of light filled the garden, restoring its colors and magic. The flowers bloomed with radiant hues, and the garden sparkled like never before. The kingdom rejoiced, and Princess Liora learned that even in the darkest times, kindness and a helping hand could bring back the light. The enchanted garden thrived, and Princess Liora continued to care for it with love, knowing that its magic was intertwined with the kindness in her heart. Moral of the story is kindness can bring light even in the darkest of times. Princess Liora and the Magic Garden Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.